Assalamu alaikum, hello ji, sat sri akal. Acha ji, I don't know any more great words, so here we start. How are you all doing? I hope you all fine. So I'm back with another video, and today we'll learn a simple concept used to find derivatives of composition of two or more functions, known as chain rule. Chain rule can be written in Leibniz'S notation in the following way. Suppose we say that there is a variable z that depends on variable y and y depends on variable x. We can say that z and y are dependent variables and x is the independent one. Z depends on y, but y also depends on x, so in another word, z depends on x. Then the chain rule states that dz by dx is equals to dz by dy into dy by dx. Now here what we can say that z is the dependent variable. Whenever we have to find the derivative of a dependent variable with respect to another variable, then suppose say it's x, then always the independent variable comes in the denominator and the dependent one comes in the numerator. And if these two variables are linked by another variable, here we can say y, because z depends on y and y depends on x and z also depends on x. We can break it down as this. This is known as the chain rule, dz by dy into dy by dx. First dependent variable's derivative with respect to the second dependent, and then the second dependent's derivative with respect to the independent variable. Now we will see an example. You will be given a question, suppose like this: y is equals to 1 minus x over 1 plus x whole under root. Now if we have to solve this question with the help of the chain rule, what we can do that the expression inside the under root, we will have to take it, or suppose that it is equal to u or any other variable. First we have to do that. So now this form is of the type of chain rule. Here y depends on x, and this form is known as is equals to u, under root u. We can write it as y is equals to under root u. So y depends on u and u depends on x, same form. So y and u will be the dependent variables and x will be the independent. So again, with the help of the chain rule, dy by dx can be written as dy by du into du by dx. Now here is the equation. Mark is as 1. Now this is as simple. Now we just have to find the derivative of y with respect to u and the derivative of u with respect to x and put its values in this equation. First of all, with respect to y, derivative of y with respect to u. This is under, so here y is equals to under root u, so it will be 1 by 2 u power minus 1 by 2. Here power rule is applied, which I have taught you in the previous video. Mark it as A. Now we have found the dy by du. Now we have to find du by dx. Now u is equals to 1 minus x or 1 plus x. So here is the fraction form. We can use the quotient rule of finding derivatives, which is quotient rule can be stated as this, that you have to take the square of the denominator and then write the denominator as it is, and then derivative of numerator with respect to the given variable, that is minus 1. Here we are taking derivative with respect to x, so the derivative of x in numerator is minus 1, 1 minus x. So minus numerator, now derivative of x in the denominator, which is 1. Multiply comes this, negative x and plus x will be cancelled. Mark it as B. Now put A and B in 1 and This will be now 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Now coming here will be u power minus 1 by 2 divides 1 plus x whole square, also with the minus. Now we put the value of u here. It's your choice, you can put it back in the equation when solving it. So u will be minus into 1 minus x minus 1 by 2 divides 1 plus x u is equals to 1 minus x divides 1 plus x, and here we have put the value 1 minus x power minus 1 by 2 in this. So this will be minus 1 over under root 1 minus x. This will come in denominator and power will be plus 1 by 2, and 1 plus x 2 minus 1 by 2. Whenever two expressions are multiplied, their powers are added. So we will be left with minus 1 over under root 1 minus x. Side take the LCM, 3 by 2. So 1 plus x power 3 by 2. Thus we have found the derivative of the given expression using the chain rule. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe. So the start video is a little bit weird, so because I'm just starting up, so I'll be thankful if you guys cooperate with me. So Allah Hafiz, bye bye.